Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Guys, this morning I would like to share to you the physical development of the prenatal stage of human growth and development. And in this particular stage, we will discuss three major developments or three stages of physical development. And these are the germinal stage, which is actually the zygote period, the embryonic stage, the period of the embryo, and the fetal stage, the period of the fetus. All right, let us take this one by one. Let us take the germinal stage. From a single cell, an organism becomes complete with brain and behavioral and other capabilities in approximately 9 months. The fertilized egg, known as zygote, then moves towards the uterus, a journey that can more or less take a week to complete. Cell division begins approximately 24 to 36 hours after conception. 6 days after fertilization, the cells of the zygote become sticky and attached to the wall of the uterus, where implantation begins. The cell begin to specialize, some forming an inner cell mass which will become the embryo, and some forming surrounding cell mass which will support structures for the embryo. The next stage is the embryonic stage. The mass of the cells is now known as embryo. Structures important to the support of the embryo develop, including the placenta and umbilical cord. Cells begin to differentiate into the various body system, and you know these different body systems. The basic outlines of the organs, body, and nervous system are established. By the end of the embryonic stage, the beginnings of features such as fingers, eyes, mouth, and ears become visible. And development is very rapid during the second week. The embryo now comes to look a little like human being. The internal organs develop at the point where some of them can function. Nerves as muscle grow, or nerve and muscles grow and develop. In the third stage, which is actually the fetal stage, the embryo has become a fetus at this stage or in this stage. The neural tube develops into the brain and the spinal cord and neurons form. Sex organs begins to appear during the third month of gestation. The fetus continue to grow in both the weight and the length, although the majority of the physical growth occurs in the later stage of pregnancy. The individual is complete with face, arms, legs, fingers, toes, and calcification of these bones, functioning in the internal organs and muscles. The fetus is ready to build upon the basic form that has been laid down. It has a large repertoire of movement, which includes blinking, sucking, thumbing the head, and gripping, and a wide variety of movements of limbs, hands, and feet. All right. So this is all about the fetal stage. Now, the prenatal behavioral development corresponds to the development of the nervous system and the muscles of the body. There might be a question which will arise here. Why is it important to understand the prenatal stage? All right. Less than 2 weeks after conception, the new organism begins to demonstrate gross adaptive forms of behavior, and as it develops, it displays more complex and varied forms of behavior. This behavior has a potential effect on the later behavior. Of course, based on so many researches relative to prenatal stage, um, learning already occurs in at this early stage. Just imagine, in the prenatal stage, learning of the child already occurs. Hence, this stage is considered to be of great importance to the development of behavior, and that is the reason why when the mother is pregnant, the father or say brother or sisters talk to the child while in the womb of the mother, because um, there is a considerably development of behavior, and that is very much important. All right. So, guys, these are all about for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and this video or the information of this video um, was taken from different mm, human growth and development books, and of course the reviewer from or review material from the Philippine Normal University, um, particularly on child and adolescent development. And this was prepared by Dr. Helen F. Del Santos and Dr. Conceta O. Manuel. Again, thank you very much. Thank you very much to the writer of this particular uh, material. God bless you all.